Welcome to another period gang. This week it's the pirates. A pirate is a robber on the sea. Pirates attack ships and ports, stealing treasure and other goods. As soon as the first ships began to carry cargo, pirates began to plunder them, and they are still to threat today. About 500 years ago, some areas became special pirate strongholds. The corsairs swooped on vessels in the Mediterranean. The buccaneers of the Caribbean attacked treasures, galleons on their way to Europe, the Indian Ocean, and the South China Seas were also dangerous places to venture ships to sail. Pirates of the Mediterranean Sea were known as corsairs. The most famous corsairs were Muslims from the Barbary coast of North Africa. That they took great delight in plundering Christian ships, especially when the two sides were at war after the Crusades began in about 1100. The corsairs wanted people, not treasure. They sold their ordinary captives as slaves, or forced them to work in their galleys. Richer people were more valuable. The corsairs demanded ransoms for their release. On land, the slaves lived in the prison of Bagino. Each slave had a heavy ring, a chain retrieved to his ankle, and he was given a blanket to sleep on when he was not rowing in the galleys. He spent his time digging or breaking rocks. There was little food apart from bread, and many slaves died in the Bagino. The original buccaneers were drifters and criminals on the island of Hispaniola, modern Cuba. They wanted about hunting the wild pigs for food. They cooked them over wood fires. During the 1630s, the Spanish drove out these buccaneers and killed all the wild pigs, so the buccaneer bands who had to find food somewhere became pirates instead. They began to attack and loot passing Spanish monarch ships. In the 1650s, most buccaneers moved to a new hideout on Jamaica. This was Port Royal, set on at the end of a narrow bit of land. There was a fort on guard, the harbour entrance, and docks where pirates could repair their ships. The British who ruled Jamaica did not try to interfere with the buccaneers. Port Royal was a pirate paradise. Port Royal was a wild and wealthy place. The buccaneers brought their plunder to the docks to sell to merchants with the money. They roamed the streets looking for a good time. The town had 44 taverns crowded with drunkards, pickpockets and runaway slaves, as well as pirates. The money disappeared fast. One citizen wrote that the buccaneers have been known to spend 3,000 pieces of 8 silver coins in one night. That is £45,000 in today's money. Port Royal was destroyed by a monster earthquake in 1692. Buildings collapsed and 2 whole streets were swallowed up by the sea. A giant wave followed the earthquake, washing right over the town. Altogether, 40,000 people died in the disaster. Some saw it as God's punishment for their wicked ways. Until next time, thanks for watching.